you can't do something till you can really throw yourself into it and really give it your best.
That's very true, Paul. I mean, you could do it, but what I think KISS represents is doing something really well, eh? Okay, I'm gonna introduce this show, and then I'll introduce you guys too. You too there, old timer. Okay, Boozhoo ni Jana Shanabe Doog, and welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And we got some very special guests today. We've got a great man with many followers, a man who's influenced many people, who's led a nation, who led an army, the KISS Army, eh? And I'm very honored to have Paul Stanley here, a true hero. And then we also have Gitchi Ayang. Gitchi Ayang, we have an elder, and that's our word for today, elder. Gitchi Ayang. And our elder is Dali Lama. I want to apologize for anybody who thought we were booking Dolly Parton. You know, wouldn't that be good? We should get Dolly Parton on here. But anyway, okay, so we got the Dalai Lama and the great Paul Stanley. And so let's see, we're going to talk about KISS today. And just one thing, you kids, I want you to know about the elders. In our way, in the Anishinaabe way, we honor the elders. We honor the Gitchi Ayag. And, you know, even if they don't always agree with us, we must hear them and we must honor them. Okay, so with that being said, tell me, Dalai Lama, what do you think about KISS? What do you think about what KISS is doing?
They're doing something. At the same time, they cover their face. I don't think that's right.
Well, you know, you didn't like the 80s either, so I'm not sure if there's any pleasing you. So, so what do you have to say to that, Paul? His flabbiness, the Dalai Lama, thinks that KISS shouldn't be covering their face. Why does KISS cover their face and put on all the makeup and all that?
I think really what it comes down to is basically no matter what kind of music you're playing at this point, when you go out on tour, you have to give people something more than just music. Whether you come out with an oriental rug and sit on a stool and have a silhouette of trees in the background, or whether you come out and jump around and you're wearing jeans, it's all part of a very staged show, and it's really for the audience's benefit.
Pity. They do not know what was the 4 centuries of history and the recent history. I think these people should visit Tibet.
Visit Tibet? What do you think, Paul? Will KISS visit Tibet? Are you planning a tour of what's it called, the Himalayan mountains? Do you have any fans in Tibet?
We really want to go out on the road. We want to meet our fans. We want to make new fans. And we really want to give people what they always expect from us. It's real interesting that when I run into fans or if I'm at other shows, they always want to know when you guys are going out. When's KISS going out on the road? Because whether it's implied by us or by them, every other show is kind of second rate next to us.
Yeah, well, you know, if you ask me, I think all the other bands are second rate compared to KISS. But you know, some people think of KISS as like a nostalgic act. You know, they always bring up the 70s, like you guys stopped playing in the 70s or something. Tell me, Dolly, do you think that KISS is still relevant? You know, are they still relevant in today's music scene, or are they out of date?
Now they're outdated. Therefore, as early as
All we can say is that we're totally committed to the band.
you are not up to Tibetan people.
All right, well, okay. You know, I don't think he ever said he was a Tibetan. You know, I think he's just, but that's okay. You know, you're welcome to your opinion, sir. And I will honor you because you're my Gitchi Ayan, my elder. And that's all the time we have for today, folks. I'd like to thank the Dalai Lama and, of course, the great Paul Stanley, the great teacher Paul Stanley, for being my guest today. And I want to thank you for watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language, culture, Kiss, and anybody else we can get on the show here. All right then. I will see you again. I will see you again. Giga waba min minawa. Hoa. I almost forgot how to say that. All right. Well, you boys did really good. Should we watch some Kiss videos? Yeah, I know you want to, Paul. Probably not you, Dali.